This one is 2.5 meters, so it's not heavy type. And here is for the quantity. Here is for the speed. Here is for grinding blade. You can choose the manual or automatic. This one is e-stop. This one is our machine. You can check. Here is a worker table. We can choose two type grinding blade, manual or automatic. The blade we use the tungsten steel, and if you want to change the blade, you only lose the two screw. The blade it will change. About the blade holder, we use linear gateway. You can check linear gateway. And here have electric photo is for counter the paperboard. And about this part, we use this one. Change the before right one because this one quality is better. And for machine running, we use the shrink sleeve. It will hard wiring than our old type machine.
我从这一锁紧就可以了。
对，就这两个。好。
把这松开。
先把这个螺丝松开，然后调它。往下是。
往下压是抬。
往下压是抬。
往上抬是落。
行。然后把它弄好了之后，再把这儿锁紧了就行，是吧？
对对对，
行。